If you're looking for the best cheap web hosting, this video is going to save you a lot of time and probably a lot of money too. Because here's the truth. A lot of people overpay for hosting they don't need. They sign up for expensive plans packed with features they'll never use, when in reality, there are budget-friendly hosting providers that can run websites fast, securely, and reliably for a fraction of the price. In this video, I'm going to show you the best cheap web hosting providers right now based on lowest pricing, best value for money, performance and uptime, ease of use for beginners, and who each hosting company is best for. And if you want the best pricing on any of the hosts I mentioned, I have links in the description below. Quick disclosure, those are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the lowest pricing available, and in some cases, even lower than going directly. Let's get into it. If I had to recommend one cheap hosting provider for most people, it would be Hostinger. Why? Because they consistently offer some of the lowest pricing in the industry while still giving you excellent speed, solid uptime, and an easy to use dashboard. Right now, Hostinger plans often start at very low introductory prices depending on promotions and term length. With Hostinger, you typically get free SSL, free email, free domain name on annual plans, beginner-friendly control panel, one-click WordPress installs, good performance for the price. This is a great option if you want the best balance of low price and strong features. If you're building a blog, business website, portfolio, or affiliate site, Hostinger is hard to beat for the money. Next up is Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the most beginner-friendly hosting companies out there and is officially recommended by WordPress. If you're brand new and want something simple, Bluehost is a solid choice. You get free domain name on annual plans, easy WordPress setup, simple dashboard, good support, reliable uptime. Bluehost is especially good for beginners launching their first website and wanting a smoother setup experience. If you already use Namecheap for domains, their hosting can make sense. They often run very affordable hosting promotions and keep pricing competitive. This can be a good option if you want your domain and hosting in one place. Best for personal websites, simple blogs, smaller websites, budget-first buyers. Now, technically, SiteGround usually costs more than the ultra-budget host, but I wanted to include them because they often run low introductory deals and their performance is excellent. If speed, support, and reliability matter more than getting the absolute cheapest monthly number, SiteGround can be worth it. They offer a strong performance, excellent support, daily backups on some plans, great WordPress tools, reliable uptime. So if you want affordable hosting with more premium quality, SiteGround is a smart pick. So which cheap hosting should you choose? Here's the simple breakdown. Choose Hostinger if you want the best cheap hosting overall. Choose Bluehost if you're a beginner and want the easiest setup. Choose Namecheap if you want ultra budget hosting and already use them for domains. Choose SiteGround if you want better performance and support while still getting a discounted intro price. If I were starting today and wanted the best mix of cheap pricing and value, I'd go with Hostinger first. If I wanted the easiest beginner setup, Bluehost. If I cared most about premium performance, SiteGround. Cheap hosting does not have to mean bad hosting. There are some excellent low-cost options available right now if you choose carefully. Just make sure you look at renewal pricing, included features, backups, and support, not just the lowest number on the page. If you want the best discounts on any of these hosting providers, check the links in the description below. And if this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.